Disclaimer, please read it, not cussy Benzi.
The Mercedes-Benz ML 354 MATIC W163 is a fascinating bridge in automotive history. It was the vehicle that essentially forced the luxury world to take SUVs seriously, and the USA version has a very specific flavor. The Alabama Mercedes identity, the W163, was famously the first Mercedes-Benz to be built outside of Germany, specifically in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. For the US market, this was a point of pride and a strategic move to dominate the North American suburb. While the early 1998-2000 models were criticized for un-Mercedes-like interior plastics, the ML 350 arrived in 2003 as part of the refined facelift, 2002 to 2005. By this time, Mercedes had poured millions into the factory to ensure the wood trim was real, the switches felt solid, and the thud of the door sounded like a Benz should. The engine, a hidden 3.7-liter. In the US, Mercedes marketed it as the ML 350 to fit the naming convention, but under the hood sits the M112 3.7 V6. Power, it produces 232 horsepower and 254 pound-feet of torque. The reputation, this engine is a legend among enthusiasts. It uses a twin-spark system, 2 spark plugs per cylinder, and is known for being incredibly robust. It's common to see these engines cruise past 200,000 miles with only basic maintenance. The USA gear. Unlike some European versions that had manual options, every US ML 350 came with the 5G-tronic 5-speed automatic, which is equally famous for its durability. Real off-road DNA 4Matic plus low range. Modern SUVs are mostly crossovers, built like cars. But the W163 is a body-on-frame truck. 4Matic. The US version features permanent all-wheel drive with a 48/50 seconds front/rear torque split. The secret button. One thing that surprises modern owners is the low-range button on the center console. This isn't just a software setting, it engages a physical 2-speed transfer case. Coupled with the 4ETS, electronic traction system that brakes individual spinning wheels, this small crawler can actually outclimb many modern off-roaders in deep snow or mud. If you're looking at a US spec version today, here is what defines the experience. The ride. Because it's a truck frame, it feels heavy and stable. It doesn't carve corners, it commands the road. The tech. You'll find the MCS modular control system in the dash. In the early 2000s, having a screen with navigation in a truck was revolutionary for American families. The Quirk's US models are prone to the blinky light issues. Brake light switches and power steering O-rings are the most common Saturday afternoon repairs.